Wednesday, June 12th, and let's take a look at big software company Microsoft. MSFT is the symbol here. So let's take a look at this chart here for it. It's kind of attractive right now. So we see after big decline here, stock found a low here just below the 100-day moving average, which is this gold line right here, and bounced back sharply right back up to all-time highs around the middle or late part of May. This recent pullback here is constructive. Came back down to this lower Bollinger Band, and now it's making another rise back up here. So stair-step case of higher highs, higher lows. This is our textbook definition of an uptrend. We see a nice positive move in money flow as well too. What I also like to see here in the MACD is a crossover here. Once it's confirmed, would be confirmed probably in the next day or two. We'll see that indicator on a buy signal. Notice also that the relative strength has been steadily moving upwards. It is not overbought yet, so it's making an attempt to get up there. Again, once it exceeds this old high back in May, we think that this has some room to run to about 455 to 460 before it gets overbought. Strong, heavy turnover on this one day at the end of May when the stock planted a low in the chart. So all is good here with Microsoft. They don't have earnings coming out until later in July, so it's going to about another 7 weeks to go before the next earnings report season comes around. But I do like the fact that the stock is holding up nicely here with a lot of the other Mag 7 names as well too. There aren't very many of them that are at or near all-time highs, save for NVIDIA and Apple, but certainly Microsoft is holding its own, and I think that this stock has got some legs here. The only thing that you could certainly argue about the chart here is that it's been trading in a range for about a good 4 months or so, 4.5 months. It's built a nice base in the upper end of the range. So when it does up and break out, it's got some legs to go. And as Luis Yamada, famed technician, likes to say, the longer the base, the higher the space, which means that the longer there is a base for the stock is being built, the higher the stock moves when it does actually break out. So that's Microsoft. Thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys